Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy English with Emma. Quick question. Have you ever walked into a clothing store, found something you really liked, but had no idea how to ask for a different size? Or maybe you wanted to try something on, but you did not know what to say? Well, today's lesson is going to fix all of that. And do not go anywhere, there is a quiz at the end. Can you get the right answer? Let us find out. So, clothes shopping. This is one of the most fun things to do, right? But when you are shopping in English, it can get a little tricky. Maybe you need a different size. Maybe the price tag is missing. Or maybe you want to return something the next day. These are all situations you will definitely face when shopping abroad. And here is the thing. Store staff in English-speaking countries are usually very friendly and helpful, but you need to know how to communicate with them. So today, we are going to walk through 3 real shopping conversations. Asking for help, trying clothes on, and making a return. By the end of this video, you will feel super confident the next time you shop in English. Let us go. Alright, here are today's 5 key phrases. Get ready. Phrase 1. Do you have this in a different size? Use this when the size you need is not on the rack. Do you have this in a different size? Phrase 2. Can I try this on? Try on means to wear something temporarily to see if it fits. Excuse me, can I try this on? Phrase 3. Where is the fitting room? The fitting room is where you go to try on clothes. Some people also say changing room. Where is the fitting room? Phrase 4. Is this on sale? On sale means the price is reduced. Discounted. Excuse me, is this on sale? Phrase 5. I would like to return this, please. Use this when you want to bring something back and get your money back. I would like to return this, please. Now, let us see these in action.
Hi there. Are you finding everything okay?
Actually, I love this sweater, but it's a little too big. Do you have this in a different size?
Of course. What size do you need?
I think I need a small.
Let me check the back for you. One moment, please. Here you go. This is the last small we have in this color.
Oh, thank you so much. Where's the fitting room?
It's right over there, on the left side. Just past the shoes.
Perfect, thanks.
No problem. Let me know if you need a different size.
Hannah used 2 of our key phrases right away. Nice work, Hannah. First, do you have this in a different size? Super useful, and you can change size to color too. Do you have this in a different color? Same structure. Then she asked, where is the fitting room? Remember, fitting room equals changing room. Both are correct. Also, notice Lucas said, let me check the back for you. That means he is going to check the storage area behind the store. If your size is not on the rack, always ask. They often have more in the back. And he said, this is the last small we have in this color. So if you really like it, grab it quickly. Alright, let us try on some clothes.
Hi. How many items do you have today?
I have 4 pieces. Can I try them all on?
Of course. There's a 5-item limit per room, so you're good. Let me unlock room number 3 for you.
Thank you. Excuse me, what do you think? Does this look okay?
Oh, that color looks great on you. How does it fit?
It's a bit tight around the shoulders. Do you have a medium?
Let me grab one for you. Be right back. Here's the medium. Try this one.
This one fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Awesome. Just hand me anything you don't want when you're done, and you can take what you'd like up to the register.
Great conversation. There were so many useful phrases here. First, how many items do you have today? Most fitting rooms have a limit, usually around 5 to 8 items per room. They count to make sure you do not take too many at once. Then Hannah asked, "Can I try them all on?" Notice she used try on, our key phrase. And here is a really important one. Does this look okay? Or, how does it fit? These are perfect phrases to ask for an honest opinion. The associate will usually be really helpful and give you suggestions. Hannah said, "It is a bit tight around the shoulders." Knowing how to describe the fit is super useful. You can say, "It is too tight." Too small. It is too loose. Too big. It is perfect. Just right. Alright, time for the final scene. The quiz is coming up.
Hi. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to return this, please. I bought it yesterday, but when I got home, I noticed there's a small stain on the back.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like a refund or store credit?
A refund, please. I paid with my credit card.
No problem. The refund will go back to the same card. It usually takes 3 to 5 business days to show up.
Got it. Oh, by the way, I noticed this jacket over there. Is this on sale?
Yes. Everything in that section is 50% off this weekend.
Wow, that's a great deal. I'll take a look.
Take your time. And thank you for being so understanding about the return.
Of course. Thanks for your help.
Excellent. That was the most advanced conversation, but you handled it like a pro. Hannah used our phrase. "I would like to return this, please." Polite and clear. Perfect. Then Jason asked, "Would you like a refund or store credit?" Listen carefully, these are two different things. A refund means you get your money back. Store credit means you do not get cash back, but you get credit to spend at the same store later. Jason also said, "It usually takes 3 to 5 business days to show up." Business days means weekdays, not weekends or holidays. So if you return something on a Friday, it might take until the next Wednesday or Thursday. And Hannah used another key phrase. "Is this on sale?" And Jason said, 50% off. That is half the original price. Big discount. Alright, now it is quiz time. Jason said, "Everything in that section is 50% off this weekend." What does 50% off mean? A. The items cost $50 more. B. The items are half their original price. C. Only 50 items are available. Now it is your turn. Write your answer in the comments. I will check every single one and let you know if you got it right. How many of you can get it right? Great job today, everyone. Now you can shop for clothes in English with confidence. Asking for sizes, trying things on, and even making a return. These are real, practical skills you will use all the time. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. Next time, we are heading to the airport. Get ready to fly in English. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.